Well, it's a little chilly out. We're under a snow squall watch right now. I'm just heading back to the house. Thought I'd just take a little tiny walk through the bush for a minute. See if I see any animal tracks. Snow's pretty deep. It's the first time I've been out here for quite a while. Just gonna do just a little walk. Just curious if there's anything out here. Again, my name's Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel. In the bottom right corner there's a subscribe button. If you can hit that thing, that would be great. Really appreciate it. Snow's fairly deep. I'm out of breath. Just gonna do a little short walk, see if I see anything. There's some old tracks there, but it's been a while. Guess all the smart animals are hiding out right now. Smarter than me. Not going to go very far. Just going to do a little loop, come back out of the driveway again. Living off grid, I don't know, guys. It's the way to go. Unless you're elderly and feeble. But if you have your strength and you have some ambition, it's a healthy lifestyle for sure. Shoveling snow, getting your own water, figuring things out. Okay, so there's been some animals out here. Those main trail you see right there, that's my old trail when I had my snowshoes on a few weeks ago. But there's been a few animals out here. And now I'm walking back towards the house. Whoops. Yes, it's definitely a healthy lifestyle. You know, I used to watch the Waltons. And I used to watch, especially Little House on the Prairies. I used to say to my wife, I says, you know, I'd love to be doing that. Now, of course, this isn't the same. We do have a running shower. And you don't have to go to a well and fetch water. But it's still a good lifestyle, especially when you're getting closer to retirement, like I am. Yeah, this is Saturday, and got nothing planned today, really. Well, I'm gonna go to the dump, empty my truck. I got a bunch of stuff in there. Dump's only open on Saturdays because I live in an unorganized township, so there's no garbage pickup. Yeah, off to the distance there. Don't know if you can see that. There's my solar panels over there. And now out there's a lake. Nope, no animal trails at all, hardly. Now right ahead of me, there's a little tiny stream that goes across the property. And it's not deep, but I built a little bridge here. I don't think I didn't do a video on it, but I built a little bridge right here so I drive my ATV over it. It's just a small little stream. Imagine in the spring it's gonna be kind of wet, and that's just a little stream with the water going out towards the lake. Yeah, I built this trail towards fall, so she's pretty rough right now. And of course, it's not groomed in any way. I'll get her fixed up next year, or this year in the summer. It's just nice walking through the trees, being out with nature. I heard a moose last year, but I've never seen one. So I'm kind of anxious to see some big game out here. A lot of these things on the ground that you're looking at, that's actually just clumps of snow that's fallen off the trees. So right here, there's no trails at all. Little trail there going across. Don't know what it is, but something. I know last time we had a snow, I saw quite a few tracks going across the driveway. I believe they were probably deer tracks. But right now there's nothing. I'm trying to climb over a snowbank right now. All right. Okay. Just a little walk around the yard. So I'm gonna do some plowing later on today. Once I probably after lunch, after I go to the dump. And believe it or not, any of you guys with off-grid properties or are thinking about getting off-grid properties have all this big fancy equipment. That's great. You know, like I don't have the money to buy all kinds of fancy equipment. So basically what I have is I have my ATV. It's 2019. It's got probably about 300 kilometers on it with a blade on the front. And when I do plow this, it does a really nice job. Now, of course, if we get lots of snow over the winter, I'll be in trouble with it. And when that happens, I got a neighbor down the road who's got a payloader. He'll come down and just push the snow out of the way for me. I give him a little bit of money. But until that happens, I just plow it on my own, which works out really great. Anyways, have a great day. And subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all good health.